Okay, guys, you made it. Welcome to day 6 of our 3-week Cha-Cha challenge. So throughout those days, we learned a lot about stationary Cha-Cha, how to produce actions and rhythm when you're in place. We learned about the side actions where you use the hip circles and body drifts. And also we start learning about the forward, when we move forward in Cha-Cha, that the twisting in each step is actually the key. So to twist and walk rather than just walk, it was the key. Now, for the day 6, I would like to give you exercises which you have to do every day to practice. And keep in mind, these exercises will create for you a skill where you can twist to your maximum as you dance cha-cha and every other dance. Let's get going. How to start with? I strongly recommend for you guys to stay next to the mirror or next to the wall, like really hold on to something, because at the end of the day, you're gonna dance with the partner, and your connection, that using each other, help each other, is actually very essential part of the partnering as well. And now, first of all, I would like you to close your feet like this. So keep your one leg straight, one knee bent, and press your toe against the other toe in this position. Tummy in, chest picked up. And in this position, I would like to, later on I will turn to the middle, back to you. I would like you just to pivot in this position as much as possible so you can see your bum in the middle from here. And then after that, I would like to ask you to put your ball of the foot down and actually pivot through the 2 straight legs on the 2 heels up position, pivot, 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 and actually reconnect your feet from the other side. So basically, we're gonna go do this exercise where we're focusing on 2 things: closing your feet as tight as possible and pivoting your feet as much as we can. So I'll go to the wall, so hopefully you can see here. Now, number 1, close your feet as tight as you can. Right heel should be up, left heel is on the floor. Now pivot as much as you can on the flat foot to the mirror. Make sure your hands stay wide on the mirror or on the wall, and you try to see with your own eyes through the mirror your back pocket. Rotate as much as you can. Now from here, you're gonna put ball of the foot up and try in this position, pivot, pivot, pivot to the other side as much as you can. Slowly put heel down and reconnect your feet on the other side. Make sure here is super tight on the other side. But same time, keep your hands on the same spots on the mirror or on the wall, and your head is straight. And now from here again, go up, 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 pivot, and change. And now try to do it a little bit faster. 2, 3, and cha-cha a little bit faster. 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. And in this exercise, try to pivot your feet as much as you can. So foot is pivoting like there is a baby oil under your foot as much as you can, so you can see the bum, your opposite bum. Try to rotate to the maximum. And 3, and then speed up. 4 and 1. Same time, you can use with your arms mirror or the wall. You see, because mirror and wall are very good, you cannot grab it. So the only thing you can do, you can push away. And that's exactly what you need when you dance with a partner. There is a pushing away feel between 2 of you, should be always with you. 2, 3, 4, and 1. Push, push, 4 and 1. And if for the ladies, if you wear a skirt, your skirt should fly like crazy in this exercise. 2, 3, 4, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 1. Later in my drills and exercise section, we're gonna do exercises which are gonna last longer and longer. So here I want you just to get an idea and try it first. Now, remember what we're practicing here. Number 1, we're practicing the tightness of the feet at the end of the rotation. So the tight. So when you finish rotation, feet should be very, very tight here, not opening here. Then what else we practicing? and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1. What we're practicing here? We're practicing the tightness of the feet. Also, we're practicing the tightness of the knees in transition. So when you do that switch, make sure there is a tightness, there is no openingness. So number 1, we're practicing tightness of the feet. Number 2, we're practicing how far you can rotate, pivot with your feet. And number 3, we're practicing the tightness in your inner thighs between legs as we're doing this exercise. Okay? Boom, boom, 4 and 1, boom, boom, 4 and 1. So practice stationary twists to increase maximum rotation. And see you next day.